guys, happy Halloween.
Um,
Even though it's not gonna be Halloween by the time I upload this video on my channel, but it's 31st October today and it's Halloween here in Germany and in US. Because of COVID and the lockdown, we won't really be able to experience the actual Halloween, but still we thought, let's just go out and see at least like probably a small part of whatever Halloween is. But why not just go get a pumpkin and just carve it, and it's gonna be fun. So let's see how it's gonna go. And also I'm planning to make some glue wine at home, so let's see how that goes. I'm like quite excited about this. I really wish that I could see people dressing up in Halloween costumes and kids do trick and treat and everything, but unfortunately because of COVID that's not possible now. But it's okay. Now we are heading to a farmer's market which is around 30 kilometers from here, so we'll be going there to buy pumpkin. So the first thing is to buy pumpkin, and then let's see how the day goes. Okay guys, so now we are at the pumpkin patch. I chose one pumpkin and I'm thinking of taking this one too. This one is really cute. I mean, you guys must have already seen that there are a lot of options, so I think I'm gonna stick with this one and this one. Alright people, so now that we have the pumpkin, let's start carving some pumpkin. Okay, so now since I want this part to be in the front, ouch, ouch, shit. Is done. This is ideally how the pumpkin should look like from inside. I think I'll just go with the classic, the Halloween pumpkin look. I am 100% sure it's gonna be so ugly. It's already teda. Fuck. Look at my pumpkin. I think it's already teda. Do you guys think it's teda? Let me know in the comments below, but I think it's teda. Okay. Ew. Like I'm scooping out someone's eyes. Oh god. God, please, 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 please make sure it comes out right. I don't have the patience to carve another pumpkin. I got the eyes popped. I made one eye. Oh no, I just cut the... Okay, now I think my pumpkin has abnormal eyes. So done. It looks like a Halloween pumpkin. So far good. This is the two eyes and the teeth. I had to highlight the teeth part a little bit because I couldn't like actually get the sharp edges. got some blue wine. We carried some spices from India like cinnamon and cloves and all, but I don't know what extra should we had. I'm just gonna make some blue wine with whatever spices I have available right now, and let's see how it turns out. So a lot of you who don't know what glue wine is, it's like a wine with a little bit of spices and it's served hot. So it's perfect for winter. It's very famous over here for Halloween and Christmas. So let's see how this turns out to be. Like very strong. Okay guys, now that the wine is ready, let's try and see how the wine tastes. It's still warm though. It tastes like a normal wine but a little sweet. Maybe it's because of cinnamon. And I hope it doesn't look like something stuck in my teeth. Okay guys, so now this is from Eve. No, I'll do it again. One, two, three. Frankly speaking, it tastes like kashaya with wine. Such a clumsy video maker. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.